The Perfect Basic Pullup adjustable bar makes pull-ups possible for any fitness level. An adjustable swing arm works for rows, traditional pull-ups, tricep presses, lunges and other body weight exercises. Easy to install, door remains fully functional, one size fits most door frames from 27 to 36 inches wide. Features 3 positions from beginner to advanced, user weight limit is 220 pounds. Includes Perfect Pullup bar and Navy SEAL inspired workout. Traditional pull-ups are hard, but the Perfect Basic Pullup bar's revolutionary patented swing arm brings the bar down to any fitness level, making it possible for almost anyone to do a pull-up. The Perfect Pullup helps build upper body strength with an adjustable swing arm that progresses to traditional pull-ups by starting with standing rows and Australian pull-ups. Beyond the traditional pull-up, the swing arm can be used to perform tricep presses, lunges, and a wide variety of other exercises. Great for all fitness levels, the Navy SEAL-inspired workout poster provides beginner, intermediate, and advanced workouts. The Perfect Basic Pullup is easy to install and the door remains fully functional, fits most door frames from 27 to 36 inches wide. Features 3 positions from beginning to advanced, user weight limit is 220 pounds. Includes Perfect Pullup unit, Navy SEAL-inspired workout. Top reviews from the United States. About a 2-hour installation that acts as a good warm-up for when the bar is functional. I wasn't expecting it to work for my door, because I had a very narrow trim and I've tried previous products that just didn't fit. However, I was able to adjust my trim slightly and properly install the pull-up bar, whereas I wasn't for the others. This might in fact be the perfect pull-up bar, given the sheer number of doors this beast of steel could be used on. Also, something most people won't care about, but I do, it looks really good. The design is sleek and minimalist while hanging on your doorframe and gives it a certain je ne sais quoi that 99% of pull-up bars don't have. It feels like a $100+ product, genuinely. It's good looking, sturdy, and easy enough to install. Speaking of the installation, it's a bit of hassle, but a rewarding one. The instructions are super simple and everything is very straightforward, but the act of assembling a pull-up bar as well as drilling it into your doorframe is fairly tedious. Regardless, I very much recommend this product and I never write reviews for Amazon products, so me writing this is a testament to my feelings towards it. Worth your money.